This is used to soakle.
Hi, it's for wall mount toilet.
Yeah, wall mount, wall hung water closet, wall hung toilet, very good. This is a carrier for a water closet. This is actually a back-to-back carrier, if you can't see that. This is back-to-back male and female toilet facilities. I don't know which side I was in when I was taking the picture. Actually, you can kind of see the horizontal drain running across, but you can also see the carrier on the back side. But a wall-hung water closet or wall-hung carrier, this one's actually manufactured by a company called MyFab. Good company, kind of like user-friendly, because these don't come all assembled. All those bolts and nuts and everything you see on there, this comes in a pretty skinny, heavy, flat box. And you end up assembling it to another part of the carrier itself. But one of the things that as we look at this, and you look at the difference between a floor-mounted toilet and a wall-hung toilet is significant. We talk about a thing called fixture unit values. For you to be able to size the waste and vent piping for any of this that you're seeing now. And hopefully it's kind of opening up your eyes to be more aware of your surroundings when you're out in the field doing work. So this is used to hang a wall-mounted water closet. There are 4-bolt and 3-bolt wall-hung, wall-mounted water closets. 4-bolt is typically siphon jet. 3-bolt is typically blowout water closets. Kind of crazy things, but those are some of the things that you learn in a tier 2 or a tier 1 class that all of a sudden 4 years later when you're sitting there for a journeyman's exam show up on your journeyman's exam.